in this quick tutorial, I will show you mixer brush tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into it. You can access mixer brush tool from here, just right clicking and mixer brush tool, which keyboard shortcut is P. Mixer brush tool simulates real painting techniques such as blending colors and varying paint wetnesses. Okay, so you can see it picked color from the foreground color. Foreground color is red now. But firstly, you cannot able to paint because it needs to be loaded. Okay, first. So I am clicking here and load brush. When I clicking here, it will load the foreground color. You can see the tip, and this is the painting. I am changing the foreground color to green now. Okay, so I have first clean the brush, then again load the brush, and now I have green tip. Okay, so you can see now I have another image I want to show you. I am selecting this layer, and I am holding down Alt and click here to sample down this, sample up this. Okay, so I am now clicking here, and you can see this time it is painting the tip. The brush tip is now whole from the image part of the image. I have altered and clicked, and you can paint it this color. Okay, so I am clean the brush and again clicking here, alter and clicking here, alter and clicking here. Now I am clicking this is, and you can see this is I am able to paint the whole selection. Okay, so that is happened because I have unchecked load solid colors only. If I checked it, you cannot able to collect the image surrounding by the brush tips. It only select the color, you can see. Okay, another options here, this is, you can see load the brush after each stroke. This is the loading brush after each stroke. If I select it, it will automatically load it each time. You can see I am clicking here. If it is unselected, it will not selecting it. If I make it loading 18%, you can see, okay, the painting color has been finished. So now I cannot able to paint no more. Okay, but if it is selected, I am again painting it. Again, after releasing the mouse, I am able to again painting. Also, you can see this is clean the brush after each stroke. If I selecting this, okay, it will automatically clean the brush after each stroke or painting. So that was the first part of mixer brush tool. I will show you the next options from the coming videos. Okay, so for today, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.